What's going on YouTube? Back at it again. And today I got my drone. So this is what I ordered. It's the SG909 with the 3 batteries. Alright. And so it came in today. Now let me try to open and see what everything look like and if everything is here. All right. Okay. So I ordered this a few days ago, actually several days ago, but it came in pretty earlier than expected. Today is December 27th and it already arrived, but really this was supposed to come in after the new year, so I'm excited about that. I think that's pretty good shipping. Yeah, it was supposed to come in on the 2nd of January. Alright, so this is what we got. Alright, supposed to have the video controller and the obstacle avoidance system. And this was supposed to come with also three batteries. All right, so let's open. Okay. And it comes with a little bag. Look at that. Let's put the box here. Comes in a Ziploc bag and the travel bag. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. All right, let's see. All right, so look at that. Nicely foam package. Okay, it's got the manual right there. Some cables, I think. And here is the drone. And let's see what's in the box. So I'm supposed to have 3 batteries. So 1, 2. And here's the controller. Video controller. Alright. And let's see, one more battery. Here's the 3rd battery. It's already in the drone. Alright. So, as I mentioned, pretty nicely packaged. And yeah, I'm excited to turn it on, see how it is. Right now it's pretty late already in the day, so I won't be able to fly it outside, but I know that's what I'm excited to do tomorrow morning. So hopefully I get the chance to do that, get a video of it, and so I can show you guys how it flies. So this is the mobile scanning obstacle avoidance. it back. So it looks like this package has everything in it. Let's see what's in here. Yep, so here's the manual. Alright, it's the SG909, and we got some cables. So this is, it's extra parts. Alright, so we got some extra propellers. We got 4 sets right there, and then some screws right there, and then here we got, let's just open this. Okay, so we got a charging cable, a screw, that's it. Let me see. I think what I'm missing is, for the remote, the little joystick. Oh, it's built in at the bottom. Alright guys, so let's see it now. So here's the remote, and the joystick is at the bottom. So here's the USB-C slot, and then the SD memory card goes in right there. Feels pretty solid, guys. So like I mentioned, can't wait to give it a test run. And so today will just be an unboxing, and so if you guys were to order something like this, you guys would know what to expect. Alright guys, I'll end the video here, and hopefully you guys catch me on the next one. I'll make a video of flying this drone. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.